So, it's been a few days, and I just wanted to give you an update of where we were. This is the building where we'll have our secured facility. Just about finished. Take you inside. Let the light get in there. We almost got all the sheetrock up. A little bit left to go. This might get a little dark. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take you down the other building. I'm going to stop it. Okay. Hello. Sorry about my voice. Went to a concert and did a lot of screaming and yelling. But I want to show you the rest of this other building here. See where we are. Now I'll be on the video now, say incoming, because they recorded the sound of it.
Incoming, then you look at me.
Incoming, it's Derek. Oh, it's good candid stuff. And now what are we planning for tonight? Are we doing anything?
No.
We're not blowing up the culvert thing or anything? Oh, no explosions?
Yes, we are.
We're going to have some boom booms?
Yes, we're going to blow up the sinkhole in the culverts.
Nice.
It's going to be cool.
So we got something good to look forward to then. Thanks for that update, Derek. Well, this is the sinkhole we wanted to fix with some salutes. It's in this dirt road here over these culverts where this creek comes through, going into Derek's farm, which is that way, where he's coming from. And his dad started digging into it, but I think we're going to get some salutes and try to blow it up so we can get some explosions. I just wanted to show you before and after, before and then have an after, so. When you put them too far in?
Oh, we just need to weaken it so it collapses in. It's not like we're trying to blow it out.
I want to see it blow out.
Well, that would be cool too.
Yeah.
I can go
Oh, really?
Wow, there's a lot of dirt.
And back up.
Watch the dirt over there.
Pregnant woman in the front.
Come on, back up to him.
I didn't know everybody's still walking.
That's pretty good.
Turn the thing. Watch the dirt. Over there.
Move the dirt.
Nice.
That just blow it out. But now did it just blow it straight up?
I thought
It looked like one and it moved.
Didn't do what we wanted it to. And
Yeah, actually it did.
I
think.
bet it collapsed all the way down under there. Because we didn't throw that much.
Hey everybody. So that last part wasn't exactly firework related, but we used fireworks to collapse that sinkhole, which was over the culverts, and that's Derek's main road in and out of his farm, so we had to take care of that. And then we continued to work on that storage facility with sheetrock, and now I'm home here just to end the video so I can post it on the website. And so you get a chance to check out our actual website, which is mumpyro.com. We're getting that in order now, and it's looking pretty good so far. So hope you enjoyed a little bit there, and like I said, there will be more fireworks stuff, but right now we're just sort of getting going, so fun to show you how it's progressing. Everybody have a great day, and I hope you liked the video. Talk to you later. Bye for now.